Good morning, my dear students. Myself Satish Srivastava. Today I am explaining your subject GK, chapter number 10. The chapter topic name is Western Classical Music. Okay, so I am read and explain both. Western classical music developed in Europe during the 18th and 19th century. Chamber music, operas, symphonies, and concert. Okay, are some form that come under this kind of music. Okay, students. Western classical music is primarily homophonic, different vocalists sing or instrumentalists playing in the same melody. Ludwig van Beethoven, Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart, and Joseph Haydn are some of the greatest composers of Western classical music. Okay, Joseph Haydn, Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart, Beethoven are greatest composer in Western classical music. So, my dear student, the first question is take the correct option based question and read and write give right answer. Okay. The first question is an opera is a dramatic work performed entirely to the music, woodwind, brass, string, a percussion instrument are used in opera. Operas may have female singer who sing in a high pitched voice. They are called. There are four options: tenors, baritones, sopranos, librettos. The answer number is sopranos. C. The next question is the orchestra got its name from the area where instrumentalists performed in ancient Greek theatres. The term philharmonic and symphony refer to large orchestras, which is an orchestra that perform in smaller space. There are four options: band, choir, minuet, and chamber. The right answer is chamber. Okay, students. Next one, a conductor indicates the correct tempo to the performer by using a baton or hand gestures and ensures that the whole ensemble perform in unison. Pick the famous conductor. Okay, in this question there are four options and four options are right: Igor Stravinsky, Claudio Abbado, Jubin Mehta, and Simon Rattle. The next question, 4 number. A symphony is a long and complex. A symphony is a long and complex piece of music meant to be played by a large orchestra. Who among the following had composed such pieces? There are four options and four options is the right answer of this question. Ludwig van Beethoven, Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart, Joseph Haydn, Gustav Mahler. Question number 5. This member of the Beatles composed classical music later in his career. His classical music albums include Standing Stone, As Corman. He is John Lennon, Paul McCartney, George Harrison, Ringo Starr. The right answer is Paul McCartney. The next number, question number 6. Some musical compositions are meant primarily for singers, while some others are meant primarily for instrumentalists. Pick the type means for instruments. Repeat again question. Some musical compositions are meant primarily for singers, while some others are meant primarily for instrumentalists. Pick the types meant for instruments: chorale, sonata, cantata, and concerto. So there are two answers: is right, sonata and concerto. Next question, question number 7. Pick the great pianist among the following musicians: Frederick Chopin, Christian Zimmerman, and Gregory Skolanoff. The next question is, my dear student, Beethoven was one of the greatest composers. Beethoven was the greatest composer of all time. His music is still used in movies and television shows. His Ninth Symphony has been used in Dead Poets Society, A Clockwork Orange, and Cruel Intentions. These three answer is right. Counted among the best violin, those who play violin. This American is a multiple Grammy winner and has played for the New York Philharmonic Orchestra series. Carla Bley, Regina Carter, Emily Remler, and Hilary Hahn. The right answer is Hilary Hahn. Next question, student. Explain. Fill in the name of musician. A German composer and pianist, he became almost completely deaf toward to the end of his life. His famous work, apart from 9 symphonies, include the Moonlight Sonata on and his only opera Fidelio. Ludwig, the right answer is Ludwig van Beethoven. The next number, an Austrian composer, his work includes almost for all form of music practiced in his time. The operas, the Magic Flute, and the Marriage of Figaro were composed by him. Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. Next question. A German composer, he was an accomplished an organist. He composed the Brandenburg concerts. Johann Sebastian Bach. This Polish composer wrote most of his work for the piano. His famous pieces include the Farewell Waltz, the Minute Waltz. Frederick Chopin. The next question, my dear friends. An Australian composer, he perfected the symphony and the string quartet. The Emperor Quartet, composed by him, is used for the German national anthem. Joseph Haydn. German national anthem by Joseph Haydn. The next question. An Indian-born orchestral conductor, he had led the New York Philharmonic Orchestra. Okay, Indian-born. The Israel Philharmonic Orchestra named him their music director life, Juvin Mehta. Next question. The American-born Greek soprano was one of the greatest opera performers. Her performance in operas as Tosca and Norma are famous. Tosca and Norma famous. Okay, American-born Greek Maria Callas. So, my dear friends, this is the your answers in your book, chapter number 10. Your tests are continuing. So, all of you write answer in your test, because all things is important as a science, as a GK. Thank you. Have a nice day.